To activate special cashback categories for your U.S. Bank credit card, start by opening the U.S. Bank website and clicking on the Login button in the top right corner. Enter your username and password in the login form. Then click the blue Login button. Once you're logged in, locate the credit card for which you want to activate cashback categories on the main screen and click on it. From there, navigate to the Rewards and Benefits section and click on it. On the Rewards page, you'll see your rewards balance, along with a prompt asking if you've chosen your categories yet. Click on the Choose Today button. Then confirm that you want to proceed to the Reward Center by clicking the Continue button. Next, you'll need to enter your zip code, the last 4 digits of your card number, and your last name, and then click the Sign In button. After that, find and click the Choose Categories button, which will allow you to select the categories that will earn you 5% cashback for the upcoming quarter. You'll have multiple options to choose from. You'll also have the opportunity to choose a 2% category. Once you've made your selections, click the Activate Categories button. Finally, you'll receive confirmation that your cashback categories for the quarter have been activated.